go again. Rolex. Look at that right there. GMT Master. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Rouse back in the building, and I have a watch unboxing. Okay, this here is, of course, as you can see, an Orient watch, and I got this for Valentine's Day from my wife. Shout out to my wife, Darlene. Thank you very much. Appreciate you so much, and I love you. You know what I mean? So I hope everyone else out there had a great Valentine's Day, because I did. And let's get into this unboxing right quick. You know what I mean? Let's check out this Orient. Alright, there it is. Let's see what else we got in the box. Of course, we got, the regular, how to work it, whatever. We don't need that really. Now, let's go ahead and open him up. Check him out. And there it is. There it is. The Orient Ray 2. Yo, this is the bomb shiggity. You know what I mean? But you know what though? This watch right here is definitely the bomb. Look at that. Check that out, right? Check it out. It's the bomb shiggity. And here we go again with all this plastic and paper and stuff, and all the stuff I hate about. Oh my God. Let's get the plastic off of here, y'all, right quick. Let's get it off. The hell? There it is. All of the plastic is off. And again, this is the Orient Ray 2. You know, great looking watch. Check that out. Look at that. It's a great looking watch. It has a screw down case back right here. Screw down case back. Screw down crown. There it is. Feels nice. Yeah, I like that. Ooh, wine's like butter. Feels great. Once again, wine. Let's check that bezel action out. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at freaking all. Let's see if this lines up properly. And it does. Yes. Yes, sir. So we're gonna go ahead and try him on the wrist right quick. See how he looks. Here it is on the wrist, y'all. I think I may have to take out one link. You know, that's about it. But other than that, this is a bomb piece. It definitely echoes the Seiko SKX 007, but you know, it is what it is, man. It's an Orient, one of the great watch manufacturers out there today. What y'all think, people? Review on this bad boy coming soon. This is the Orient Ray 2. Get into it. This your boy P. Rouse, and we out. Peace.